Hello folks, welcome to my channel. This video is going to be very quick but very important. This is about the Azure SQL database and how you can change the values of backup policy for your Azure SQL database. When you create a database, there will be some default values which are set here for PITR retention, weekly LTR, monthly LTR, and all these things. Um, First, let us quickly understand what are these backup policies. Differential backup frequency means that at every interval, only the changes in the database are being backup, not the whole database. PTR, PITR retentions, that means point in time recovery, is set to 7 days here. What does it mean? It means that if your database has a failure and if you want to go back to certain point of the database, you can go back till 7 days. Okay, for example, you can have your database how it was looking 4 days before, not as of today, something like that. LTR is long-term retention. So weekly, monthly, and yearly. So you want to keep this backup for long term. Maybe the reason of the security or the compliance, you have to do this, or you can do this, but by default the values are set like this, and I wanted to change these values in my case as well. So how I did that, let's see. Importantly, this can be only done using the PowerShell. It cannot be done with AZ command line or portal. Okay, so first thing is to be done is to connect to your Azure account with this connect AZ account command. Of course, first you need to go to PowerShell and then run this command, and then you will have to set your subscription here, the database, the subscription where your database is situated. All right, and after that there are two commands I will show you how for these things to achieve. First command is to change your PITR value, that is point in time recovery. In my case, the default was 7 and I wanted to change it to 14. So this is the command with which I have changed it. This command is definitely working and tested, and this was the output of the command. Okay. Second command is to change the long-term retention, long-term retention policy, and this is also the command you can note down. This command is definitely working, but in your case, you will have to change the values of your database and server name and all these things according to your own subscription or resource groups. Okay. Important to note here is this the way these retention periods are defined here. For example, for weekly, it says that P56D, so 56 days, that is 8 weeks, which I wanted. Monthly retention is P12M, and then yearly is P 3 years, so that means 3 years. I want to keep it for 3 years, yearly backup, and 12 months, that is monthly backup for 12 months. Okay, so this is a pattern like P and then number and M or Y or D. Okay, so this is how you can actually set up the values which you want, um, and after that you will find that it will be reflecting here, and you can verify that it is actually working, has been changed. Okay, so hopefully you like this video. If you still have any questions, please put into the comments. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.